Point-of-sale displays are a type of promotion found next to or near the checkouts. Point-of-sale displays are a key part of any business's sales or marketing strategy. They take the customer's vision and direct it to any possible promotions. Point-of-sale displays are generally made out of cardboard or sometimes molded plastics. They are intentionally made with a short lifespan so they can be discarded easily when it comes to it. The most popular manufacturing method for a point-of-sale display is die cutting. Point-of-sale display using die cutting, they will take the material and run it either through a roller which has the blades on it, or press the cutter which will cut out the design.
So this is a die cutting machine, and then it has two cylinders. The top cylinder will have some sort of pattern on it, which will be cut out on the material that would be fed through the two cylinders, the gap between the two cylinders, and then it will slowly rotate like this to cut whatever pattern that's on the top cylinder all the way across the material that is going to be fed through. So the materials could like be from plastic to fabric. So any type of plastic would be fed through easily and then cut out yeah.
Popular items found on point-of-sale displays are batteries, DVDs, CDs and drinks. Die cutter uses a range of lights, some of these being indents and some being cut. On our demonstration here we can see the outside edge has been cut, but they would have had a similar line that just didn't go in this deep or on this one in order to make it bend for the user to set it up once it's been delivered. Production for a point-of-sale display is most likely mass-produced. Positives of point-of-sale displays are that they are cheap, easy to make, and benefit the user in both storage as well as wrapping. Problems with point-of-sale displays are that they are cost effective in that they don't last long and can be expensive to deal over and over.
This is a die cutting machine. Firstly I'll talk about what parts it has. So this is the actual blade that will be cutting the material such as this, and we're using this as an example. So material will be placed in here, and then this will be shot really in really fast speed, so 1 to 2 seconds, and then it will be lifted up again, and then that will cut the shape in here. And then so this is used to make multiple different shapes here on piece of material. So it could be used again and again and again. This is called a shaped blade, and is used to cut the material. Yeah. If the people don't want to cut the material, they use a blade that is a bit blunt to actually ensure that it just creases it and not cut through the actual thing. So yeah. And using a blunt blade will be useful for materials that just need to be folded, so such as like the service development, also known as nets. So when they're being created, they just get creased and then they can be folded up. Right. So for this would be there would be what you call it, a blade that is blunt used on that bit, so it just folds over simply, and then to actually cut out the whole shape, it would be used a normal blade. There's two types of die cutting machines. This is one type, and the next type would be the one with a cylinder, two cylinders, and a piece of material is just put through the two cylinders, and it rolls and then cuts it quickly, as we've shown in our CAD video earlier. So what happens is, I reckon the better one is the one with the two cylinders, as it is much faster and can do multiple different materials at one time. So what a long piece of material would be slide through it, and and it cuts repeatedly the same shape over and over and over. Whereas this, you would need to put a piece of material in, quickly do that, or it might do it automatically depending on what machine you've got. Take it out, put a new one in, do it again. So it's just, this is involved with more labour involved in this one, and I will